Welcome back to Alpha Drop. My name is Ron. I'm an analyst at Box Mining, and today we have some new undiluted alpha airdrops that you can farm right now, and they're particularly early as well. Guys, if you've been farming with us here on Alpha Drop, if you're looking for more airdrops to farm, if you want more updates on the airdrops that you've been farming, you can always refer to our airdrop spreadsheet right here, okay? Next up is Moongate. So for those of you who don't know what Moongate is, they're essentially known for physical products. So I remember I read about Moongate a long time ago in 2022. There's like a bunch of IRL events, some concerts, and then they used Moongate's technology as part of the tickets. So you needed to own like a Moongate NFT in order to enter into that event. So that's essentially the product that they have. But right now there's a big collab that Moongate is doing with a bunch of infrastructure projects. So Moongate has teamed up with Avalanche, Morph, and Plume Network. So these two projects, Morph, Plume Network, these are testnets that we are currently farming right now. So this is another side quest that you can do if you want to gain some on-chain participation for getting even more airdrop, if that's a possibility. But the goal here is they have a $3,000 prize pool. Okay, that's not the primary target for me. So the quest is going to be in Galxe. The primary target for me is to get these OATs, get it done as soon as possible. So if there's going to be a criteria for Galxe participation for Plume or Morph, this could definitely help. If you want to be a part of the prize pool, as well as 200 PowerUp NFTs, you can do this raffle. So this one, so far 2,500 people participated, but they haven't mentioned how many people will win. But as I've said earlier, the prize is not the primary objective for me. If I manage to participate, like if I manage to win this raffle, I would aim for the PowerUp NFTs. Okay, so I can just sell them in the open market if there's like not much use to it. So yeah, this will only take like 5 to 10 minutes. You can see the quests are really easy. They're all social related. Just on Twitter, Discord, Twitter, Discord, Twitter, Discord. And for the raffle, just retweet the tweet, then visit Moon Odyssey and earn the MGT. You just need to click the button and it'll already give you the green tick. So they're really straightforward.
This video is brought to you by Bybit. So Bybit is one of the leading exchanges right now for trading anything from your coins on the spot market, or if you're aggressive and you want to be a professional trader, you can do the futures market, which has a really good liquidity. It's probably one of the best right now at this current point. Right now, if you register, you get a bonus here. So we actually have a super special bonus for every viewer on this channel. And on top of that, I would actually recommend you do it now rather than later, because as this market increases and as things get more exciting, the process gets like longer and longer as time goes on. So get your accounts early, sign up for Bybit now.
All right, so you guys know what to do. Smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. My name is Ron. Shana now.